It's a 2014 Honda Accord. Nearly 40 years of heritage brings you this incomparable Accord. It has many convenient features like keyless entry, speed control, climate control, and a low tire pressure warning. Plus, it's earned every one of its 5 stars in safety with features like smart vent front-side airbags, stability and traction control, and anti-lock brakes with brake assist.
You can maintain a safe distance in even the busiest traffic with the adaptive cruise control. It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. Doors open and your path is well lit with HomeLink.
For the money, there's no car that brings as much performance, style, and safety together in one package as the Honda Accord.
Visit Pohanka Honda, King of the Beltway, today. We're conveniently located on the Capitol Beltway at Exit 13, 1772 Ritchie Station Court in Capitol Heights, Maryland.